Hello everybody, welcome again to Palm KTV, and this is the latest update of the shillings 4.5 billion Makupa Bridge in Mombasa County, which is being constructed at a fast pace. It is set for completion in June this year. The 457-meter bridge, whose construction started in April 2020, will link Mombasa Island to the mainland, replacing the current Makupa Causeway that was built in 1929. It will also pave way for the demolition of Makupa Causeway, which will see Mombasa reverting to its natural status as an island. The bridge will significantly improve infrastructure along the Mombasa-Nairobi trunk road and movement of cargo from the port of Mombasa. The bridge comprises two 4-lane parallel bridges with a width of 20 meters each and an extra 2-meter rail for non-motorized traffic and a pedestrian footpath. Now let us drive along the Makupa Causeway. Thank you so much for always coming back to watch my videos, and if this is your first time to bump into this channel, kindly consider to subscribe, like and also share.